Welcome to CIU Labs, an initiative of Cambridge Intercontinental University. Am I the only one that didn't know cyber criminals could be this sneaky? Meet the Lazarus Group, masters of obfuscation. The Lazarus Group is notorious for their sophisticated obfuscation techniques that make their malware nearly undetectable. They use strategies like recompiling, which involves making tiny changes to their code and converting it into executable files. This trick fools traditional antivirus tools by making the malware appear brand new. But that's just the beginning. They also employ control flow flattening, random variable names, and base 64 encoding to hide their malicious intentions. Ever heard of steganography? They even hide malware within images. Why should you care? Because these tactics allow them to steal sensitive data like cryptocurrency wallet details without detection. Stay vigilant and keep your systems updated. Catching these cyber ghosts requires more than just the basics. Stay safe and stay ahead.